Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Justice for All Forum. It's an international program of SNS Social Welfare Development Association, Canada. I'm Akhtar Shah, Advocate, Supreme Court of Pakistan, and President of SNS Social Welfare Development Association, Canada. Today we shall discuss what is accountability, its legal and practical perspectives. Our discussion shall be non-political, non-religious, or ethnic bias. One more thing. During my talk, I shall try to be more logical, more methodical, adopting the correct approach. Maybe during my discussion, there are some mistakes, grammatical or pronunciation. Please do correct me. And I shall be looking forward for your comments on this important talk. So let us begin with it. What is accountability? Ladies and gentlemen, without accountability, even the most brilliant, hardworking, well-intentioned leaders fail. They fail to meet their performance goals. They fail to develop their teams. When leaders take personal accountability, they are willing to answer for the outcomes of their choices, their behaviors, and their actions in all situations in which they are involved. Accountable leaders do not blame others when things go topsy-turvy. Rather, they make things right, and they are the fixers. Now here, there's a practical sort of a thing. We are hearing, we listen every day that such and such government, such and such group, such and such individual, they looted the money. They got away with that. And now more loans are required to run the government functionaries or to help the people. So question is, have you ever looked into that when you accuse someone, is your investigation team, agencies, they have done their work? You're accused. You're accusing every day, you're accusing. We listen to you on TV from both sides. People, they come, they say, oh, this has been done by this and this, and we are unable to do this. No, we are doing this, we are getting loan. Where is your investigation team? Don't you find, or are you unable to find honest people or honest functionaries to carry out proper investigation, independent investigation, unbiased investigation, uninfluenced investigation? Look into that, please, first of all. Then, what about that? What's the time limit with you? If the investigation has been done properly, what's the time limit? Why you take so long to frame the charges against them? And Are you looking from equality point of view? Are you looking from rule of law point of view? Rule of law is the basic principle of democracy. So when somebody says that we are the champion of democracy, please look into that. Are you adhering? Are you following? Are you ensuring rule of law? Nobody's above the law. All are equal before and under the law. We have the best courts. Our honorable judges are the best judges of the world. Please don't say like that. That no, you did your best. No, you did not do you did not do even a bit of it, even a bit of best. Your prosecution. And then you talk about so-and-so institution, NAB, so-and-so this. If you think that something is wrong, have a courage to come out. Tell the people of Pakistan that you have some problems, you have some hindrance, you have some obstacles. Leaders, they don't care for the obstacles. When I'm talking leaders, true leaders. True leaders means true to the nation. Honest to themselves, honest to the nation. People, they have chosen you. And don't say that you have a mandate for 5 years. No. Each and every second, each and every moment is accountable. That is accountability. That means we should just wait that previous government, they did this, and now you have the mandate, you have the right to go for 5 years. Why? After being elected, did you go to your people of your constituency? Look at those people. Look at the children of those people. Look how they are suffering, how they are running to have an affordable life. We are not impressed by listening, examples from this part of the world, from that part of the world, or 1400 years before. We respect those, we respect the system, that system. But are you following that? If not, why? Why not you people? Why not you, the functionary? Why not the state should be first made accountable before the nation with the best people? And we want to remain as best. No, don't blame others. Fix the problem. Look into the eyes of those people who do not have any kind of means to live their life. Please. I'm using the word please. Nation is looking towards you. They're very dignified people. People of Pakistan are the best people in the world. I've never seen. I've only seen that we are the best. Okay? Now next is accountability goes beyond individual actions and decisions. Accountable leaders assume ownership for the performance of their teams. What is the team? What the team is doing? I would say every government in our country, they have got long, what should I say? Heavy and heavier, the heaviest team with them. And when we see teams should be first accountable to themselves, they should be honest. They should go into the each and every bit of that, each and every stage of their planning. They must consider that whatever they are going to do it, whatever they are going to plan it, is it in the best interest of the people of Pakistan? You're supposed to work in the best interest of the public. It's whether you are functionary, government functionary in power or otherwise, or even as in sitting in the opposition. And here people are looking positive role. They are not looking into the legacy that today I'm the leader or I have the power, and I just look into that when my son should come and stand with me as a leader, whether qualified or not qualified, whether there are people in your parties, maybe they are more deserving, maybe they are more honest, maybe they are more willing to serve the nation. When you look around, they should not be hidden from your eyesight. They're standing with you. They're just following you, having the impression that you and me, we are the true leaders. And have they signed any bond to you or to me that they have to just follow? No. Each Pakistani is a leader. Each Pakistani is a dignified individual. People they should learn, other people I'm talking about, they should learn the leadership and dignity from the people of Pakistan. Accountability starts with honesty. Often this requires setting aside personal pride. Please look into the word pride. Pride is with good deeds. Pride means here, don't look into the other side of the pride, power. I mean to say, if you say anything, yeah, people, they will obey you, they will listen to you. This is not the true picture of the pride. That's why it says set aside this kind of the pride and look towards the true side of the pride. If you still want that people that you should have a pride, you should have pride in those things, pride in honesty. Then admitting your own mistakes. I would say when you come in power, you say so-and-so has done this, so-and-so done this. So the cases are the people. If you accuse anybody, let's take an example that if I accuse somebody, first of all, I should think accurately, correctly, honestly, that the person whom I'm accusing is really a person to be accused for that act. And if I'm convinced, then I should look into that. What system, whether I have a good system with me, I have an honest system with me, do I have an honest team with me? Are they going to help me in the investigation? Are they going to bring those people with speed and with transparency before the court of law? I've been hearing it. So-and-so has got the bail from the court. So-and-so got this. So-and-so, this is not our fault. And, so-and-so has let somebody to go travel abroad or to disappear and all that. Don't blame the courts. Again, I'm telling, don't blame the courts. Our courts are the best court in the world. I've seen it. Our judges, our honorable judges, I've got a great respect for them. They're the best judges. Shoulder your responsibilities, own your responsibilities, own your own mistakes. Rectify the faults. And then when you bring them in the court, then again you say, oh, this has not been done, it's being delayed. I know I'm Advocate Supreme Court of Pakistan. I know I've gone into each and every court. I have appeared, rather, I would say, before the honorable judge, magistrate, judge, judges, honorable judges of the High Court, honorable judges of the Supreme Court. Our judges are very honest. Believe me, I'm telling you. And when somebody says that, oh, this thing has happened, this tape has come up, have a heart. Have a heart. Please, don't accuse them. You don't know what service they are doing to the nation. They burn the light till midnight, even beyond that, to go through all those cases. Please do the proper investigation. Then the prosecution should be very well qualified. And so do your accountability first. Don't go into the blame game. Just coming on a TV network and having a mic, I know, having a mic and saying this, saying that, and all that. Even I would say, should not waste the time of the people of Pakistan. You are accountable. Everybody is accountable. Let it be the previous government, let it be previous to previous and all that. There's only one leader. And his name is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Unity, faith, and discipline. Where have you gone? Nation is still disciplined. Your system should be like that. Honest nation and disciplined nation. We are the people. We are the people of Pakistan. We are the most disciplined people. Even not having affordable life, still we say we love Pakistan. Still, when there is a need, these are the people, those who stand. These are the people. They don't take the flights and they don't run away. Please, when I'm making this statement, please take me as a lawyer. I know in past I have defended, I've appeared in a very important case. Let it be very honestly, let me tell you, I never found a part of ground. I've always assisted the courts, assisted the honorable judges, truly and honestly, in the most dignified manner. So this what is officer of the court is required to do. So accountable leaders do not avoid responsibilities. They do not under or overcommit. When it is said, do not make false promises and do not undercommit means come up. and say to the nation, say to the people of Pakistan, yes, you have elected us, you have boosted your confidence in us, you have trust in us, we shall never betray your trust. And ladies and gentlemen, these are the questions. Kindly look into that. And let's demand accountability. Let's first be ourselves be accountable to ourselves. And if the system demands, we should come forward before the system. I would say just a system. We say, yes, we are accountable. So let the system to take its own course of action. I would say, are your leaders accountable? Yes, they are accountable. Leaders means what? What's a true leader? True leader is honest to the nation, honest to the people, honest to himself first, and then honest to the nation. Honesty is the first. Service to the public is the first. And are they really performing their duties honestly? If not, please ask them, come forward. Be truthful, be true to the nation, and look into and they should be able to, if they are honest, if they think they are accountable, into the eyes of the people, and when they look into that, they will find their gaps. We do not know, there's no time to accept the failures. There's time to stand up now. And how have you gone about developing them as accountable? What's our system? Our laws are there. It's the matter of implementation of the laws. And what has worked and what has not, as you embarked on transferring your leadership culture to accountable. So these are the questions, ladies and gentlemen. Please look into that. And the leaders, I would say, please, leadership is a big word. It's not a small, it's a big gift. And please give honor to this gift. And be true to the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
SNS Education and Skills. We broaden your vision. We broaden your knowledge. SNS Education and Skills, जहां मिले आपको तालीम का एक नया आगाज, तालीम भी तरबियत भी. Affiliated with Canada and United States of America. English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. Well qualified teachers. Language courses, IELTS, TOEFL, PET, Chinese language, office management course, law management course, web development, digital marketing, SEO, search engine optimization. SNS Education and Skills. House number 29A, Street number 3, Pipeline Street, Caltex Road, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Second branch opposite Wakil Colony, 208 RB Link Road, Lower Canal Road, Faisalabad, Pakistan. Phone 051 5157 518 0333 64 266 40. sseducationcollege.com.